Hi, it's day 4 of the pool installation, although it's not actually the 4th day, but it's the 4th video I've made. Anyway, we are up to the rebar, so check it out. We've got rebar all over this thing. I don't think it's completely finished yet, but there you have it. It's, they've got all the sideboards up and everything, and the concrete, I believe, has come in a week's time, so there's still got some pipe work and other stuff to do, and you can see that how it's actually going to be, the pool's actually going to be sloped. It's shallower at that end, and it slopes down, and the deepest point, which I think is 1.8 meters deep, is in line with there. It's not actually right at the end here. It's just where that little hole is. I don't know why they've put the hole in the bottom there, but anyway, yeah, there's extra pipe work and stuff to go in. So I don't know, how do they actually pour the concrete on a slope like that? Do they have to put the board, boards up above the rebar at the thickness of the concrete you want, and then have it, and then it can contain the concrete? Or can you actually form the concrete just wet and form it on a slope like that, or would it all just go slump? How do you prevent it slumping down to there? I don't know anything about concrete. I've got no idea whatsoever. But anyway, this top part here, there will actually be a large slot in the concrete going right along here, and that's going to be for the integrated pool cover, which it'll be sunken down into the concrete, so there won't be, it'll have a flappy thing on it, and you lift up the flappy thing and you can pull the pool cover over, or something fancy like that, I believe. But yeah, anyway, so for all you rebar aficionados, it's happening. But yeah, I don't know, leave it in the comments. Do you know how much is left to, how much form work is left to do? I don't know how they form the walls and the base and all that sort of jazz, but yeah, it's happening. So there you go. Yeah, I think the pump's going to be over in this corner here. So they're going to, so they've got to have the pipe work for the heat pump, which will actually be a physical heat. It'll be a heat pump actually. So we can use our excess solar to heat the thing up using a heat pump, just like we got the recent heat pump hot water system installed. And we'll have the basically a similar system to heat up the pool here, and then you've got to have your regular pool pump to circulate things. So yeah, that piping's not installed yet. I think there's going to be a couple of lights along there. I think that, yeah, there's 2 lights there, so that'll have to be, they'll have to put conduit and wiring and going off. I'm not sure where it's going to go off to, whatever's the most convenient location for that. But yeah, they've got to get all the electrics down in this corner where I'm standing here, because this is where all the pumps will be. So there you go. That is the latest update. The 4th video, but it's like day 10 or something like that. But yeah, anyway, I guess I won't have much to show you unless the some extra rebar or something else changes. But the next one might be concrete. Anyway, thoughts and comments down below. Catch you next time.